Hello everyone. So today we are going to do the flow of hand strengthening. So it involves with the warm up of our fingers, of our wrist, of our pelvic, of our shoulders. So slowly and steadily we'll start with a little bit of warm up and then we will introduce little bit of advanced asana like Tula asana, Kag asana in this flow everybody. Okay? So let's start. So we will start the flow while sitting in Vajrasana. So now from Vajrasana, inhale, both the hands up, come on your knees, exhale, come in a Marjariyasana. In a Marjariyasana, your shoulders and wrists should be one line, your buttock and knee one in one line. Now we'll start with a cat and camel. Inhale, chin up, buttock rolled up. Exhale, chin to the chest, buttock rolled down. Inhale, chin up, buttock rolled up. Exhale, chin to the chest, buttock roll down. Inhale, chin up, buttock rolled up. Exhale, chin to the chest, buttock roll down. Now after that, we'll start with a complete rotation. And this is a complete warm-up for your wrist. We are preparing the wrist and the palms for our hand strengthening postures. So how you need to do? You need to start from our right side. Give your weight onto the right edge of your palm, then back, then slowly transfer your weight to the left side. Then slowly transfer your weight to the tip of the fingers and then to the right and then to the left. This is how you need to make a circular motion, 3 motion in a clockwise direction and then 3 motion in a anti-clockwise direction. So in this way, we are preparing our fingers, wrist and our palms for the coming postures. Now after completion of 3 clock and 3 anti-clock, we'll start again with the lifting the palms up. Try to come on your finger or tips of the fingers and then down. Make sure when you are lifting up, do not transfer your weight back. Your weight will remain onto the fingers and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now after completing this 3 times, you will join your both the knees and now roll the buttock down. Do the protraction in your scapula and just lift your knee 1 centimeter up. And we'll hold here for 3 seconds. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here, you will go in Adho Mukha Swan Asana. You will hold here everybody. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from Adho Mukha, you will take your right leg at the side of your right hand. You can slightly move your hands forward in this position, in a low lunge position. Now from here, lift your right hand up and lift your up hand towards the ceiling. Hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now drop your right hand down. Now transfer your weight forward from your left heel and we'll start doing push-ups 3 times. Inhale, exhale, go down. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. After doing 3, hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your leg back. Again go in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we will switch the leg. Now this time take your left leg at the side of your left hand in a low lunge position and now raise your left hand up, hand toward the ceiling and hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Drop your hands down and now we will do push-ups, 3 push-ups. When you are doing push-ups, make sure your elbows are not going outward, not going wider. They should be coming closer to your chest. So inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Go down and hold for 3 counts. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here, we will go in a plank and we'll hold in a plank for 3 counts. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now for a plank, again take your right leg at the side of your right hand and now this time we will drop our both the elbows. We'll go in a lizard pose and we'll hold here Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now again we'll go in a plank and we'll hold in a plank for 3 counts. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your left leg forward. Drop your both the elbows. Go in a lizard pose. Look straight. Your back knee should be straight. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now directly from here, we will go in a elbow plank. And we'll hold in a elbow plank first. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now, from an elbow plank, turn your waist towards your left side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now turn your waist to the right side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slightly walk forward, take your buttocks up, and we'll start with the dolphin push-ups. Inhale, come back, exhale, go forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now after doing 3 times, take your spine inside, lift your heels up and start walking on your tip of your toes wherever your range is. Okay, so we'll hold here first in a dolphin pose. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now raise your right leg up, toes pointed. We'll hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly right leg down. Lift your left leg up, straight up. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly, slowly drop your knee down and we'll relax in Sashankasana for 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. From Sashankasana, you will come up, you will go in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, we will hold in Adho Mukha. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from Adho Mukha, bend your right knee. Start lifting your knee up maximum, but make sure your right buttock should not be going to the left side. Keep lifting up and then after that straight your knee. But your thigh should be internal rotated and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now raise your left heel up and now bend your right knee. Now make a protraction in your scapula, engage your core and touch your knee to the nose. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your leg forward, bend your right elbow, keep your right thigh onto your tricep, buttock down, go forward. We'll hold in Kondyanasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here, we'll go back in Adho Mukha. We'll hold again in Adho Mukha. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. This time bend your left knee and now keep taking your knee up without turning your left buttock to the right side and then straight your leg and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Raise your right heel up. Now bend your left knee. Protraction in your scapula, buttock roll down, touch your nose onto your knee and now hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll go in Kondyanasana. Start bending your left elbow. Keep your left thigh on your left tricep. Body weight forward. Go in Kondyanasana. Bend your elbow. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now directly from here, go in a plank again. We'll hold in a plank. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from a plank, we'll go to a side plank to the right side. So turn your right foot, then take your left foot over the right foot. Make sure you are keep pressing your right palm, buttock roll down, navel tucked in, and then other hand up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now you will come in a plank. Hold in a plank again. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now go to the side plank to the left side. Again press your left palm, buttock roll down, navel tucked in, open up your pelvic, other hand up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Again we'll come in a plank, hold in a plank. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll go for Patittarasana to the right side. Everybody take your left leg towards your right hand and now right heel up, drop your foot down, make sure your right leg outer edge parallel to the edge of the mat. Now move your left leg forward as much as you can, lift your left buttock up and other hand close to your ear. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly we'll come back again in a plank, hold in a plank. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll go for Patittarasana to the left side. So take your right leg close to the left hand, raise your left heel up, turn your left toe, left outer edge parallel to the mat. Now move your right hand as much forward, lift your right buttock up, left hand close to your ear. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly come back. We'll go in Adho Mukha Svanasana now. Hold in Adho Mukha. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll jump forward and we'll come in Malasana. So how to jump forward? Heels up, knees bend, roll the buttock up, completely inside from your spine. Look between your palms, jump up and forward. Completely sit in a Malasana and we'll hold in Malasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from Malasana we'll go in Kagasana. So your elbow should be touching the side of the knee. Keep pushing the knee from the elbows. Drop your palms completely in front of your foot. And now first lift your heels up. Keep transferring your weight forward. While transferring, keep pushing your knee. And then slowly take your leg closer. Lift your one toe up and then other toe up. Hold in a Kangasana for 3 counts. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Drop your leg down. Slowly come up in a Padhastasana. Hands at the side of your foot. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your hands slightly forward. We'll jump back and we'll go in a plank. Those who are advanced practitioner can directly go in a push-up position from here, or otherwise you go in a plank. So everybody raise your heel up, bend your knees, and now jump up and back. Come in a directly plank. Hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Raise your right leg up in a plank. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now remove your one hand in a plank. Right hand. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now right hand down. Lift your left leg up. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now remove your left hand. Touch your left hand to the right shoulder. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from a plank, we'll go in Sashankasana. Relax in Sashankasana. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now from Sashankasana, you will slowly come up and you will straight your leg. Now from here we'll go for Padmasana and we are going to lift Tulasana. Those who are not able to make Padmasana, they can normally cross their legs. And those who can make Padmasana, just make a Padmasana, and now in Padmasana we'll lift our body up. So you need to take your hands at the side of your thighs. Now first transfer your weight forward, lift your buttocks up, and then give your weight back and lift your legs up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly drop yourself down. Now remove your hands, remove your legs, bend your knees. Now we'll go in a table pose. So take your hands back and now lift your buttocks up. Go in a table pose and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now directly from table pose, straight your hands. Drop your elbows. We'll go in fish pose, Matsyasana. We are going for the relaxing now. So drop your crown of the head. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly lie down on your back. Now we'll go for a Markatasana. Raise your right leg up. Catch hold of your right leg from your left hand and now right hand at the side in line with your shoulder. Take your right leg completely to the left side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly come up. Right leg down. Lift your left leg up. Catch hold of your left toe from your right hand and now slowly take your left leg to the right side and neck to the left side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly take your leg back and now bend your knees, hands at the sides. We'll lift up Setu Bandhasana. So squeezing your glutes. Inhale, lift your buttocks up, 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 maximum up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly drop your buttocks down and then we'll finally end this flow in relaxing in Pavan Muktasana. Everybody close your eyes and just relax in Pavan Muktasana. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now straight your both the legs and just relax in Shavasana.